Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial using the new Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not already and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload a new video. And let's get started. So I'm going to be using this primer. This is the Martini Prep Serum Primer Instant Lift from Sanchez, one of my favorite YouTubers. And I already put on a little bit of moisturizer after the shower. So I'm gonna skip that step. Although my skin has been really dry lately. Like I have some breakouts right here. I put some tea tree oil on it and that really helped. Like I noticed it like visibly went down after I put the tea tree oil on it. This one is ready for, like it could be ready for surgery, but I feel like it's a risky procedure. Know what I'm saying? I actually feel like I even want to put on a little bit more of this because it absorbed really nicely into the skin and I feel like I need all the moisture that I can get right now. I need to put on a necklace or something. I'm just not feeling myself with this. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is in the shade Y245. It took me ridiculously long to style my hair like this because this is actually, for once, my natural hair. I got it colored and I added a couple tape-in extensions. And like I'm so used to styling my wigs. I'm like, I don't even know how to style my real hair anymore. Like I love styling wigs because I feel like I can just make a wig do like whatever I want it to do, it will do. And with my own hair, my hair's like, dude, I do one thing only, and that's make your life difficult. Like I'm not about to do all sorts of crazy styles or just sit whatever way you want me to sit, you know? Also though, I feel like I can put a wig through a lot more abuse than I'm willing to put my hair through. It's my hair. Okay, next I am going to bake a little bit. You guys know I'm not a huge baker when it comes to my foundation. That's because I have dry skin and sometimes it's just too heavy on me. But because I've been breaking out and whatever else, I rediscovered my CoverFX, which one is this? Translucent light powder. And I just noticed I baked my whole face with it after my foundation and I just noticed my skin looked so much smoother and it looked fresher throughout the night. So I'm like, this guy I need to start using again. I'm actually running low. So this is the translucent light. Okay, I have to say though, I do have like a qualm with the packaging because there's this guy right here to protect the powder. But then I'm like, I always have a hard time getting it out because I'm like, let's go like this. But then it like gets everywhere. I really feel like a weirdo with my hair like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, which is not that much because I'm running low and that's all I could get out, in a powder puff. And I'm just gonna try and get it as even as I can all over the skin. Okay, now I'm taking a fluffy brush and just kind of brushing off the powder lightly. Let's bronze. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is like my go-to. Oh yeah, and these hair clips, by the way, these gold hairpins and these necklaces are from Me, my favorite jewelry line. You guys know basically all the jewelry that I wear is from Me. They just got a bunch of really cute hair clips. I'm like into the hair clip look right now at the moment. So yeah, they have cute ones. They have like diamond ones, they have the big ones. You know, honestly, I have to say, like my experience with growing or dyeing my hair and putting extensions in and then trying to style it has like just reaffirmed to me how much I love wigs and how much I want to do my own wig line. Like I'm putting it into the universe right now, you guys. I want to do my own wigs. I want them to be affordable and I want them to be bomb as fuck. Also, a close friend of mine is going through chemo right now. She has cancer. Thankfully, everything is looking good for her. But, you know, she's a young girl in her 20s. It would be awesome to be able to make wigs that were also affordable for people who need them for medical reasons and like do something with that, because there really is such a need for that. Like, am I supposed to put bronzer up here? Like, That's my dream, and I put it out here. You guys saw it in this video. I want to make amazing, affordable wigs, and I will do it. Okay, so let's do some brows. I am going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is my favorite. This is my absolute go-to. So I'm gonna start in the shade 3, and I'm just gonna be filling them in. I really love this pencil because you can fill in your brows and get the shape that you want, but then you can also make the line really tiny and draw on brow hairs. Also, like these pencils, well, I mean, this one is kind of newer, but this guy 4.5, like I've had this, I don't even know. I've had this for months and months, and it's lasted forever. I use a ton of products when I'm doing my brows, so I really like that it lasts a long time, because I've definitely had brow pencils that I just blow through. I think I want to bring the arch just a little lower. Bring this brow into 2019, know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna apply more pressure right here. I didn't mean to bring it that low. It's okay. That's why we have concealer for later on. I already have some nice bushiness happening, but I'm still gonna take kind of like the edge of this pencil and draw little brow hairs on. Now I'm going to use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is my favorite brow gel that I've ever tried, just because I feel like nothing else will actually hold my brows in place. And especially this one over here, this is my bad brow. It's like bald. Like you can see where they microbladed it to try and compensate for its baldness. So first I just kind of comb it. Where I want it to go. And then so where I want like extra stickiness, like you better stay there, bitch. I actually take the flat side of the brush and then I just like go over it like that. And then that is not gonna move. I'm taking a little bit of that Derma blend in a concealer brush, and I'm gonna carve out the bottom line of this brow. So there is a Naked Reloaded palette. Gremlin! So you guys know Urban Decay retired, or they actually killed the Naked palette. I was in this really cool video that we did for that with Urban Decay and Nicole Richie. We had a funeral for the Naked palette. They came out with the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, which is amazing because the Naked palette is just like a staple. Wow. This is actually my first time really looking at it. So there are 12 different shades. I think this is a perfect mix of mattes and shimmers. I have like a growing aversion to shimmer eyeshadows, I have to say. Like, I'll get a palette and I'm like, what am I gonna do with all this? Typically, I love the Urban Decay eyeshadow formulas, but I will make sure to let you guys know if there's anything that I don't like or that's acting funny. Let's start with Bribe. And I'm kind of concentrating it here on at the like arch of the brow and then diffusing it outwards. Let's jump right in and take the shade Endgame. Wow, so this is a very, was there black eyeshadow on this? Because it looks very warm in the palette, or not very warm, but it looks a lot warmer and it's reading like very gray black on my eye. It's possible that there was some leftover eyeshadow on here. Either way, let's blend it out. I'm having one of those days where I'm having a hard time talking, like forming a sentence. Yes, this looks very cool. So let's do a test to see if that's actually how it wears or if it was just my mistake. So let's take Endgame again with a For Show clean brush. Oh no, I think that's just how the color is. All right, cool. Cool. Okay, I like this because at first I was looking at it and a little bit I was like, there's no black. Like I need like a pop, you know, but this dark brown is very dark, which is cool because when you want to, you know, go really dramatic, you have that option. All right, cool. So since this brush was clean and I was trying to like persecute him over here, I'm just gonna go back in with this guy. Let's take the shade Bucked and let's put it right above the crease. Someone wants to say hi. She had a little stomach ache this morning. I was like, what is that sound? I was like, oh no, it's her stomach. See, did you hear that? She just burped. She's a lot of indigestion. Let's do something cool on the lid. I'm gonna take the shade Dreamweaver. Oh, this looks like it's one of those ones where you need to wet the brush. Now I'm going to do my under eyes using my Monica Dara. This is the C3 yellow powder. Let's take some brown liner next. This is the Kylie Cosmetics brown gel liner. I've been using this one a lot lately. And I really like it. So I just line the lash line first. While I'm at it, I'm also gonna line the lower lash line. Okay, so now let's go back in with Endgame and we're gonna smoke out the wing with it. And I'm just going about halfway over. It kind of blends in with the with that shimmery shadow. And while we're at it, let's also do the lower lash line. I've worn these once before. I want to say these are Miami from Lilly lashes. Okay, so let's do some contouring. I'm going to be using the Luxie 182 JD Weighty nose contour brush. This is my absolute favorite. Take the wider side of the brush and go down the sides of the nose. And then I'm going to kind of drag it down to create like a natural shadow or contour, if you will. Kind of where there's this like a dip in my nose. And I'm also gonna pull the shadow up. And then I'm also gonna go right here. And I don't go all the way down because on me that actually, I feel like it makes my nose look longer. Let's take NC30 Studio Fix powder, and I'm just gonna take this really lightly. Just take this in a little bit. I feel like this looks like very heavy contour right now, which it is. So I'm gonna take some bronzer and just go over the whole operation a little bit. Next, let's add some highlight. I'm going to take the Too Faced Erika Jayne collab highlighter. This one is called How Many Do I Give? I actually went to the launch party for this and I got to meet Erika, Jayne, and a couple of the other Beverly Hills housewives. I love housewives, so I was like super juiced to meet them. I met Lisa Rinna, Teddy, and then Erika Jayne. Erika Jayne's performance was dope. She had like the fan like on lock and just, I don't know, it was a really good performance. Anyway, she was really cool and really nice. Same with Teddy. Honestly, they were all nice. So let's try this highlighter. This is from the collection. There's actually an eyeshadow palette, body glitter, and some lips that come with the Too Faced collection. I'm gonna go in the center for this yellow part of the money sign. Let's also apply it to the tear duct areas. I'm gonna actually take like all of it and apply it to the cheekbones. I also feel like I want to apply some blush. I'm going to take this Bye Bye Pores blush from IT Cosmetics. This is the color Je ne sais quoi. I love that someone made a blush in a like mattifying pore hiding formula, because a lot of the blushes are shimmery and I'm like, well, I can't use it right there because I have so much texture right here, and so if it's like a shimmery blush, then I can't use it. But the Bye Bye Pores is a really good formula because it just smooths out your skin. It's a bit much. It's a bit much. Oh man. Okay, so for the lip, I think I definitely need something a little muted because I have a lot going on right now. On the lips, I'm gonna be using Nude Kiss from Dominique Cosmetics. This is a cream matte lipstick. All right, you guys, so this was the whole look. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed hanging out with me today. I know a lot of you have been asking about the fitness vlogs. Fitness vlogs will be back on my channel soon. I'll explain everything that's been going on behind the scenes and in my life in my next vlog. But yes, the vlogs will be coming back, and I really appreciate all the support from you guys on that end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.